happy to declare the PSLV C-49 successfully placed Earth observation satellite EOS-01 as well as 9 customer satellites precisely into the 575-kilometer orbit. Subsequent to this mission, the satellite started operating its own functions. The solar panels of the satellite also successfully deployed. First of all, let me congratulate now the satellite teams, EOS-01 as well as 9 satellites to take over from now onwards to conduct the rest of their mission life. My dear friends, this mission is very special, very unusual for ISRO. You know, the space activity cannot be done through work from home. Each and every one of the space engineer has to be available in labs, industries, integration area, as well as the field. Then only the activities will go. Especially when we are talking about launch campaign and missions like this, each and every engineer, technician, technical assistant, all the employees have to travel all the way from different centers, and they have to be assembled and work together in SDSC SHAR. At the same time, the various hardware available at different parts of the country have to be transported carefully to SHAR. Under this COVID pandemic, really ISRO, as per the requirement from national need, the team ISRO, as usual, raised to the occasion, and they worked very carefully with limited staff, at the same time meeting all the protocols outlined by government, and safely they worked, and also without compromising any of the quality. Today's success, mainly because of the hard work given by the employees of Team ISRO, and at the same time they are sacrificing their personal interest and work for this particular mission under the COVID pandemic. And really, it is very heartening that their hard work paying the pay for the excellent success whatever we have seen. Let me compliment all the employees at the ISRO centers for carrying out this job with carefully, safely, doing the quality work. At this time, I wanted to compliment all the center directors. When we have gone through the difficult times regarding the availability of the employees, regarding the safety of the employees, that the directors took care of each and every one of the employees of ISRO. They have taken care of their health. They have defined that the special SOPs to ensure that the works are progressing. At the same time, the employees' health are not getting affected. I must congratulate and compliment all the center directors for taking initiatives and doing this activity to ensure that this mission is a success. My dear friend, as usual, now we have started the mission after the COVID pandemic. Now we have series of missions on our hand. Immediately we are going to have the PSLV C-50. It's going to launch that satellite CMS-01. Then we will be having that new vehicle SSLV. It's the first development flight. This is going to launch, that is EOS-02. Subsequently, we are going to have the GSLV F-10 launch it is going to launch, that is that UAS-03. And I'm sure that under these difficult times, as usual, that the center directors as well as all my employees will work safely, carefully, taking care of their health. At the same time, they will be contributing to the nation's needs as usual. I'm sure that the team ISRO will always rise to the occasion and meet the requirements as per the demand put on them. And let me once again thank the entire ISRO employees for making this mission a grand success. And also I wish that all the future missions also, they have to make it a success. Let me wish all my employees as well as their family members for a happy Diwali. It's going to have exactly 1 week from now. And before Diwali itself, we have a successful launch rocket. So definitely you can enjoy more on this one. Let me wish all the best for all my employees as well as their families. Thank you. Jai Hind.